This video is to show you how to change the day of a class or time of a class and make sure to get the updated Zoom links. So this is a recent match example that I just did. So I'm in the class, and if the coach tells me, that they need to reschedule either all the days or one of the days, you click on the Zoom calendar button at the top. Um, and that should show you all of the currently scheduled classes. So your options are to reschedule all of them. And if that's the case, you'll pick the new time. Maybe now they want to do 4 p.m. on Tuesdays, and you could reschedule them that way. And that will send an email to the family and the volunteer letting them know of the new time, and it will include the new link. The other scenario is that maybe just one class. So let's say the first week, just on the 25th, they need to change that one to Thursday. So then you would just click into that day and select the new day, change the time if it's a new time, and reschedule. And that again will send an email to the family and volunteer letting them know that just that day has been changed. And so that's all you need to do. The one thing we don't have at this point is changing the start date, moving it up or down. I think we would need to manually pull down each day. So at this point, if they wanted to move up the start date, you would basically have to change each day manually and bump it up and then move this one to, 25th, and then just go across the board that way. But I am asking, and just keep going down the line. I'm going to ask if we can have an easier way to do that. So that's the process for now. Just let me know if you have any questions.